Here we got Fiberworks. So this has got everything from Sisal to Seagrass to Jute to wool and wool blends. Now actually available at Carpet Empire Plus as well. All right, so let's get into it. So here you got, we'll start off with some of our typical, what do we got here? Okay, the core collection. So we'll go through and show you a little bit of everything here. You got a little bit, this is showing you the widths, this is Sisal. You have even 6'6" widths, so if you're doing a hallway and this and that, that'll help you conserve carpet. This carpet, Sisal or Seagrass, either one of the two, as well as Jute, they do not seam up well. So you want to get those widths that you can get away with. This is Jute here. It's much softer underfoot. This one here happens to be a thick one. It's very soft. It's just feels good underfoot, basically. That's basically the difference of Jute, amongst other things. So here we have some patterned Sisal. Now we're getting into wools. And these are some loops, real thick, nice wools. There's some other colors here. Shows you the 13'2" width on those. They're pretty nice as well. Then we're going to get into some Sisal patterns. These here are very clean, like I said. So Sisal and Seagrass, just the regular, without going into the patterns, they're hard enough. Here's some Jute patterns. They're hard enough to seam. You start getting into the patterns, they're going to be real tough to seam. So it's better to just do drop rooms when you're dealing with stuff like that. If you got some big old rooms, it is a glue down, so it will glue down fine. It's not like the seam's going to come up, but they are noticeable. But it's a beautiful product. These are some real beautiful jutes. You get something that thick, it's not going to be as noticeable. Here you're back to the Sisal, so you can see how they kind of splinter a little bit. Very tough to seam. You just have to have real experienced installers, which Carpet Empire has, so that works out great. But it's just a gorgeous carpet to put down. Here's some more colors that you can do. Some of them come with as much as 16'4" widths, so that you can do the bigger rooms without having to worry about the seams. They got some really cool colors on some of these Sisals. This is a real tight Sisal here. That's real tight and tough there. And then it even gets tighter on this page here. Super clean. As you can see, we got, now here back to the pattern Sisals. And like I say, it just takes a real experienced installer to seam those together. We just threw a couple wools in there, and that one even has a 16'4" width. So you can get away with no seams on that product. Another pattern Sisal, and then we're going into the Seagrass. Now this here, I love the Seagrass. It's super clean. Underfoot, it's just like, I don't know, it's just this natural, it's a natural fiber, super clean. There's your polyurethane backing there, so that gives you a little cush. You can get it with or without it. It has a thin layer that comes with it. If you want to pay a little extra, you can get a little 1/4 inch backing underneath you, which I would recommend for sure. But again, they're tough to seam, but you can't put this outside. They'll shrink up on you. Wools, got some more wools. These happen to be really tight looped wools, super clean there. Back into some indoor outdoor here. These are to replicate your Sisal products, but as far as these aren't the real deal, or you couldn't put them outside. These are made for indoor, outdoor. You can do them broadloom, which is wall to wall, and like a sunroom or something, or you can do them outside and make an area rug. Jute, back to it, and this is a Jute and Sisal mix. Very clean product. It's more the look, and it gives you that softness. Throwing the Jute in there, and these are some thick product here. These are very good looking. This is my favorite here, the wool and Sisal blends. They're not cheap, but they're gorgeous. These go into some real luxurious homes. They come out beautiful. As you can see, these are serged around their samples. You can make nice big area rugs with them. You can do them wall to wall. We've done everything of the above. So they have some really cool colors. But you can see that if you look real close, you see that the wool is mixed in there, those little puffy, that's the wool, and the sisal is the tight knit, as you could probably figure out on your own. But it is so good looking. See right here, there's the wool right there, those little patches. And then everything in between is your sisal. But please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our other videos and ring that bell. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.